Good morning, dear students. Welcome to continue part of second chapter, that is India and its neighboring countries. Yes, in the previous class, so sir has told about the and he has explained the India and its neighboring countries. So in this class, I am going to explain the question and answer of the second lesson. So take your notebook and write down. So okay. So write heading as chapter 2nd, India and its neighboring countries. Okay, India and its neighboring countries. So don't make any mistakes. I will repeat each question for twice. Okay, so don't be get confused. So write very neatly. So over, did you write heading, that is second lesson, India and its neighboring countries? Fine. So write down, first question is, rewrite her wrong sentence correctly. That is, Rima got 13 out of 22 in the worksheet Pritesh gave her to do. Okay, so we have to rewrite her wrong sentence correctly. So among them, first sentence, that is, India is located in the northern part of Asia. Yes, is this sentence correct? No, so it is wrong. So we have to write correctly. So first one is right answer. India is located in the southern part of Asia. India is located in the southern part of Asia. Over. Shall we go for next one? So write down B1. India is the second largest country in the world. Yes, India is the second largest country in the world. Is this correct? No. So let us see. Write down answer. India is the seventh largest country in the world. India is the seventh largest country in the world. So first largest country is Russia. Yes, Russia, Canada, China, America. Yes, like this. So India has a seventh largest country in the world. Okay, next one is, India is the seventh most populated country in the world. Yes, next sentence, that is third sentence is, India is the seventh most populated country in the world. Yes, is this true? No. So write down correctly. India is the second most populated country in the world. Yes, so India is the second most populated country in the world. Next, fourth question. The Lakshadweep islands are in the Bay of Bengal. So is this true? No. So write correctly. The Lakshadweep Islands are in the Arabian Sea. Yes, so Lakshadweep Island are in the Arabian Sea. Okay, next, the Andaman and Nicobar islands are in the Arabian Sea. So it is wrong. So write correctly answer. The Andaman and Nicobar islands are in the Bay of Bengal. Next, fifth one, the Tarai region is very dry slash fertile. Yes, the Tarai region is very dry slash fertile. Yes, so write down correctly. The Tarai region is very fertile. Yes, so it is very fertile. Next, the Deccan Plateau is oval. The Deccan Plateau is oval slash triangle in shape. So write down answer. The Deccan Plateau is triangular in shape. Next, India has 27 states. India has 27 states and 9 union territories. Is this true? No. So according to latest data, so India has 28 states. And 8 union territories. Okay, and 8 union territories. Over. So write down second one question is there. Answer the following questions. So among them, first, write the names of the states mentioned in our national anthem. So we have to write the states that are mentioned in our national anthem. Okay, so write down answer. Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, that is Maharashtra. Next, Dravid, that is Tamil Nadu. Next, Odisha, and Bengal, that is West Bengal. So etc. So these are the states that are mentioned in the national anthem. Okay, so once again I will repeat it. Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, that is Maharashtra, Dravid, that is Tamil Nadu, and Odisha and Bengal, etc. Okay, so next question. Name the rivers mentioned in the national anthem. So write down answer. Ganga and Yamuna rivers are mentioned in the national anthem. Over. Shall we go for next question? Fine. So write down C1 question is there. Name the currencies of these countries. Okay. So first one is Nepal. So which currency they are using? So that is Nepalese rupee. Yes, Nepalese rupee. NEPALESE, Nepalese RUPEE, rupees. They are using Nepalese rupee. Next one is Bhutan. That is Bhutanese Gultrum. Yes, Bhutanese Gultrum. That is N is silent here. NGULTRUM. That is Bhutanese Gultrum. Yes. Next, Pakistan. That is Pakistani rupee. Next, Sri Lanka. So they are using Sri Lankan rupee. Over. Okay, so write down next one question. Name the official language of these countries. Okay, name the official language of these countries. Okay, they have mentioned some countries and we have to write the official languages of a particular countries. So first one is Afghanistan. First one is Afghanistan. So they are using Dari and Pashto. Dari and Pashto as their official language. Next one is China. China. So they are using Mandarin. Yes, they are using Mandarin. Mandarin. Okay, this is the official language of China. Next, Myanmar. Myanmar. So they are using Burmese. 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 Next, Bangladesh. Bangladesh. So they are using Bangla. Bangla. Okay. Next, Maldives. Maldives. So that is they are using Dhivehi. 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 So this is the official language of Maldives. So first one, Afghanistan, they are using Dari and Pashto. China, they are using Mandarin. Myanmar, they are using Burmese. Next, Bangladesh, they are using Bangla. Maldives, they are using Dhivehi. Okay, so these are the official languages that are used by different countries. Shall we go for next question? So next question is, match each state with its capital city. Okay, so they have mentioned some states and we have to match them with the capital city. So first state is Manipur. So Manipur. So Manipur capital city is Imphal. Yes, Manipur. So we have to connect to the Imphal. Next, Telangana. Telangana's capital city is Hyderabad. Telangana, Hyderabad. Next, Gujarat. Gujarat, that is Gandhinagar. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Next, our Karnataka, that is Bengaluru. Bengaluru. Next, Goa. Yes, the Goa's capital city is Panji. Goa's capital city is Panji. Next one is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand, that is Dehradun. Next one is Odisha. Odisha. So Odisha, that is Bhubaneswar. Okay. So last question is, fourth one question is, identify the flag of each country and write the name of the country in the first column and write the name of the capital city in the second column. Okay, so they have given country's flag and we have to write the country name and we have to write in the second column, that is the capital city of that particular country. Okay, so first one is the Sri Lanka. Okay, Sri Lanka. So country name is Sri Lanka and their capital city is Colombo. Okay, the first country is Sri Lanka and the capital city of Sri Lanka is Colombo. Yes, next country is Bangladesh. So next is Bangladesh. So their capital city is Dhaka. Yes, Bangladesh capital city is Dhaka. Next one is Afghanistan. Afghanistan. So Afghanistan capital city is Kabul. Afghanistan capital city is Kabul. So these are all countries in your right side of the mobile screen. Okay, so next one is China. Next one is China. So China's capital city is Beijing. 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 Okay, next one is Pakistan. Pakistan. So Pakistan capital city is Islamabad. Pakistan's capital city is Islamabad. Over. So next to the left side of your mobile screen. So first the flag that belongs to the Nepal. Okay, so Nepal, capital city of Nepal is Kathmandu. Kathmandu. Nepal capital city is Kathmandu. Next, Myanmar. So Myanmar's capital city is Naypyidaw. Naypyidaw. Next one is Maldives. So Maldives capital city is Malé. Maldives capital city is Malé. Next, last one is Bhutan. So Bhutan's capital city is Thimphu. Bhutan capital city is Thimphu. So this is over. So don't make any mistakes, write very neatly. Okay. So thank you for watching video.